Hey guys, it's Sparky here again, and as you can tell, we're coming up to that time of year again, which is Bonfire Night in the UK. So this is part one of the stash for this year, and everything you see here, all these cakes and barrages, are from Galactic, and this pack was called, what was it? I think it was called Galaxy Pack, something like that. So yeah, you get all these in that pack. And we'll just go through them one by one. Yeah, you have this sheet with them as well. That's the one, Fireworks Galaxy. So in the entire pack you have 1,580 grams and 380 shots altogether. Get that at the light. You can see there. And you do have the list of all the products as well. So if you want to read that, all the information's there. With the biggest one being Deep Impact. It's quite large tubes on that one, as you can see. And there's 348.65 grams in that one. So that'll probably be the finale piece of this pack. So yeah, you get the small ones like these 96 shot. Yeah, 96 shot small cakes there. And then they get larger. With that one, like I says, being the biggest one. Yeah, so it saves going through like all of them one by one. I was going to go through them one by one, but then I remembered I had the sheet, so it saves there. But if you want me to do a in-depth review of them, like all the information on the back and that, then just comment below and I'll do that video. So yeah, that's the Fireworks Galaxy pack. Next, we come to this box here with these Scream rockets. The one is small rockets, as you can tell, pretty small. With just a scream on the effects from Gemstone. And there's 30 grams, so not much in them. If you focuses. Yeah, 30 grams in them anyway. What's the effects on it? Yeah, the Screamer ones, I think they come out to like a tiny burst after as well. So nothing huge, just some a little. So there's them. They just put these party poppers in for free as well, so there's 2 packs of them. Next we come to this. We're going to try this out on Halloween in a few days. So it's a green smoke bomb or smoke grenade, which lasts quite long, 90 seconds is there, by cube. So yeah, that's a little thing for Halloween. 3 packs of these wizard ones. Well, we've actually got 6 packs of these, but they will be coming up in part 2. So 3 packs of them there. them are quite popular by now. And next we have this gold lava fountain. We have had this before and enjoyed it, so we decided to get it again. 180 grams in there. And that's by Fireworks as well. Then just a few port fires because they're much safer and much better for lighting. So got a few packs of them. Next we come to these huge single shot Roman candles here, called Big Boom by Gemstone as well. I can believe these probably pack quite a punch due to the size of them, because they are pretty large. 117.5 grams in that one. So yeah, looking forward to them as well. And finally for this part one, we come to the rockets. So we've got 2 packs of Falcons here. We've never had these before, so quite looking forward to them. Seen the video on them, and they do look quite large and impactful, so yeah, really looking forward to them by Evolution. And there is 300 grams in them, so that's the same as Warhawks. And everybody knows what Warhawks have now, so you can imagine there's quite the bang and effect on them. And finally we got this Shreika Rocket by Brothers. This is pretty popular by now as well. 162 grams in that one. Yeah, never had that one before either, so really looking forward to that as well. As you can see, it's quite large. So yeah, this is everything for part 1 of the stash. And everything here as well is from the Galactic Sale weekend back at the start of September. So yeah, part 2 will be coming up in the next day or 2, so keep a look out for that. So yeah, also I'll put for all these kegs and barrages, I'll put all the information in the description below of this video. I might put them for everything actually, the rockets as well, and the single shots and that. And I'll be doing a video on most of these, because what I usually do is post a video and then usually leave them till next year to post them, like closer to Bonfire night. I usually start in like August all the way up till Bonfire night. I might start uploading them through the year, but make sure to subscribe to see if there's any changes with that. So yeah, like I said, part 2 will be coming up in the next day or 2. I've already got the Fireworks for part 2, so I just need to record them and get them out. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and keep a lookout for that. And please like and comment. And like I says, if you want me to do an in-depth look through these, then just comment below and I'll do that. So yeah, thanks for watching this one, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.